This Ninja DualBrew Pro Specialty Coffee System CFP301 is built for coffee drinkers who refuse to compromise between convenience and flavor. In a world where many coffee makers force users to choose between single-serve pod simplicity or traditional ground coffee depth, Ninja bridges the gap with a thoughtfully engineered dual system that does both exceptionally well. Designed to adapt to busy mornings, relaxed weekends, and everything in between, this coffee maker delivers remarkable versatility, speed, and customization while maintaining the rich taste and consistency that serious coffee lovers expect. At first glance, the Ninja DualBrew Pro presents itself as a premium, purpose-driven appliance. Its solid build quality, clean lines, and intuitive layout signal that this machine is meant for daily use, not occasional indulgence. Despite offering a wide range of features, the control panel remains approachable, guiding users clearly through brew sizes, styles, and drink types. Whether placed in a home kitchen, shared workspace, or coffee station, the DualBrew Pro feels like a central hub rather than just another countertop device. One of the defining strengths of this coffee system is its 13-size brewing capability, which provides unmatched flexibility. Users can brew everything from a small cup to an XL travel mug when using ground coffee, or prepare quarter, half, three-quarter, or full carafes for group settings. For pod users, traditional K-cup sizes from 6 to 12 ounces are available, ensuring compatibility with standard preferences. This adaptability makes the machine ideal for households with multiple coffee drinkers, each with different routines, cup sizes, and taste profiles. Speed is a crucial factor for modern coffee makers, and the Ninja DualBrew Pro excels in this area. It is engineered to brew coffee pods faster than leading single-serve machines upon startup, making it a reliable choice for rushed mornings. Despite the faster brew time, flavor integrity remains intact, thanks to Ninja's precise temperature control and optimized water distribution. This combination of speed and taste is particularly valuable for users who want quick coffee without sacrificing quality. The machine's 4 brew styles, classic, rich, over ice, and specialty, plus a dedicated tea function further expand its versatility. Classic delivers a smooth, balanced cup suitable for everyday drinking, while rich intensifies flavor for those who prefer bolder coffee. Over ice is specifically calibrated to brew concentrated coffee that won't taste diluted when poured over ice, making it perfect for iced coffee lovers. Specialty Brew creates a rich coffee concentrate designed for lattes, cappuccinos, and macchiatos, allowing users to recreate cafe-style drinks at home without additional equipment. The tea option and water-only function ensure that non-coffee drinkers are equally accommodated. A standout feature that elevates the Ninja DualBrew Pro beyond standard drip coffee makers is its independent hot water system. Completely separate from the coffee dispenser, this system prevents cross-contamination of flavors and offers 2 temperature settings, hot and boil. This functionality opens the door to a wide range of uses, from preparing instant soups and oatmeal to making hot cocoa or tea. By isolating the hot water system, Ninja ensures cleaner taste and greater convenience for multi-purpose use. The built-in, fold-away frother adds another layer of value, especially for users who enjoy milk-based beverages. With the ability to froth both hot and cold milk or milk alternatives, the frother transforms simple coffee into cafe-style creations. Its fold-away design keeps the countertop uncluttered when not in use, and its removable construction makes cleaning quick and effortless. This thoughtful integration reflects Ninja's focus on real-world usability rather than gimmicks. Water capacity and placement flexibility are also well considered. The 60-ounce multi-position water reservoir can be positioned on the side or rear of the machine, allowing it to adapt to various kitchen layouts. The reservoir is removable, simplifying refills and cleaning, and its generous capacity reduces the need for constant topping off, even when brewing multiple cups or carafes throughout the day. From a flavor perspective, the DualBrew Pro performs impressively across both grounds and pods. Ground coffee enthusiasts will appreciate the depth and clarity achieved through Ninja's balanced extraction, while pod users benefit from consistent results without the flatness sometimes associated with single-serve systems. The inclusion of a paper filter option alongside pod compatibility gives users greater control over taste, body, and environmental impact. Maintenance is straightforward and user-friendly. Removable components, clear access points, and simple cleaning routines ensure that daily upkeep does not become a chore. The machine's internal systems are designed to handle frequent use without sacrificing reliability, making it a practical choice for households that rely heavily on their coffee maker. Key features and benefits: dual brewing system for grounds and K-cup pods. 13 brew sizes for single cups, travel mugs, and carafes. For brew styles plus tea option for maximum variety. Independent hot water system with dual temperature control. Specialty brew mode for café-style drinks. Built-in fold-away frother for hot and cold milk. 60-ounce adjustable water reservoir for flexible placement. Pros and cons. Pros: exceptional versatility for pods and ground coffee. Fast brewing without sacrificing flavor. Wide range of brew sizes and styles. Built-in frother enhances drink variety. Independent hot water system adds functionality. Ideal for households with multiple coffee preferences. Cons: larger footprint than basic single-serve machines. More features may feel overwhelming for minimalist users. Premium pricing compared to standard drip coffee makers. Final verdict: the Ninja DualBrew Pro Specialty Coffee System CFP301 stands out as a highly adaptable, performance-driven coffee maker that caters to nearly every type of coffee drinker. By combining pod convenience, ground coffee depth, specialty brewing, and thoughtful extras like a frother and independent hot water system, Ninja delivers a machine that truly replaces multiple appliances. It is especially well-suited for households that value choice, speed, and cafe-style results without the daily cost of coffee shop visits. For anyone seeking a single coffee machine that can do it all, without sacrificing flavor, control, or convenience, the Ninja DualBrew Pro is a compelling and confidence-inspiring choice. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and discover how the Ninja DualBrew Pro can upgrade your coffee routine. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.